What's up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So this is just a quick video announcing that the lesson on the two solos from Crossroads by Cream is available for purchase at GuitarForce.com. Also, if you haven't had a chance to check out the free lesson on the rhythm parts of this song, which also include the intro and the outro, I'm gonna link it in the description box down below, or you can find it on my channel. And finally, I've made the cover of the entire song, including both of the solos, which is on my other channel. And if you're interested, I'm gonna put the link also in the description box down below, so please check it out. And right now I'm just gonna show you the playthrough of the two solos, and if you're interested and are going to buy the full lesson, is gonna include the tabs, the backing track, and obviously the video explaining in full detail both of the solos. So right now, please check out the playthrough, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, and as always, let the force be with you.